All right, so part C of momentum and variable mass collision problem. So for this, what they want us to do is find the energy dissipated. So the energy dissipated, we could say that the kinetic energy converted into internal energy, deformation, heat, sound, or other non-mechanical forms is E sub diss equals K sub I minus K sub F. So from there, E sub diss, that's going to equal 22 mu squared minus 173 over 14 mu squared. 22 is equivalent to 308 over 14, so we could write this as E sub diss equals the quantity 308 over 14 minus 173 over 14 times mu squared. And E sub diss, that's going to equal 135 over 14 mu squared. And numerically, E sub diss, that's about 9.64 mu squared. So from there, what we could say is approximately 43.8% of the initial kinetic energy is therefore dissipated. So so from here, just to show, this would be E sub diss over K sub I, that's equal to 135 over 14 divided by 22. So that's 135 over 308, which is about 0.438, converting to percent, 43.8%. So that's all for part C. Thank you very much and have a great day.